Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am on my way to Riga. I am going there to fix my tooth. I have a tooth operation, and today I'm actually gonna see a specialist to get my eyebrows done and my lips done. I'm gonna color them, so it's called like a feathering effect. It's not a tattoo, so it's like semi-permanent for 1 year. I've done my eyebrows with her last year. I don't know if you can see, they definitely need cleaning up. I've been very busy. No judgment. And I kind of want to get them slightly darker color. Obviously, it's just been so amazing to have them done because I didn't really need to color them all year, and I think the color pretty much stayed quite good, but I definitely want them a bit darker. And we're gonna try and do my lips. They will last 1 year as well, so I want to get them a bit more so it will look like I have like a light lipstick, I guess, which, you know, not going to be taken off me by eating or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to take you on the journey. In case you were thinking about doing this sort of procedure, I will obviously show you before and after. Well, you can see the before now, and then we'll see after, and I think it will take a couple of days or even a week to heal, especially the eyebrows part. So but I'm excited to show you. I was really scared to do it last year because this is the first time I tried it. I tried it first time last year and I was so paranoid. I literally googled and watched so many like videos just to make sure like my face doesn't get ruined, because I'm one of these people that gets really scared about to do anything with their face, because I've heard and seen so many like sad stories. So I found her and she did my eyebrows and I was really happy with the results. So I'm going back to her to do my lips now and my eyebrows. Now, for those of you who are thinking about doing the lips, you have to take a medication 2 days before. So that's what she told me, from cold sores. So if you type of person that gets cold sores, I definitely get cold sores, which are horrible. You're supposed to take tablets 2 days before and then 7 days after the procedure to make sure that nothing comes out. So yeah, I'll be taking those as well. Anyway, it's a long drive, guys. I will see you in Riga. Just want to show you, look at that beautiful scenery, but literally nothing around. I am nearly in Riga. I had to stop because I need to have my lunch. Look at this giant box. I've got my salad with salmon in there, trying to be eating like regularly. So I've prepared my lunch and dinner because there's nothing else anywhere on the way. It's like nature to shop. Just arrived. Okay, ready for a new change. Put my hair away. Okay, so so guys, we're gonna get like a really natural lip color. Apparently it's gonna heal pretty quickly, about 3 to 4 days. I am excited, a bit nervous, but I'm excited.
Vienkārši uzliek uz lapu, ja? Tūlīt pēc pāris minūtītēm tu vispār neko nejutīsi. Runāt var.
So we have drawn a shape, and this is not the color I'm gonna get. This is just for her to see. We put some anesthesia on my lips. Starting to feel a bit numb and prickly. Can't talk much. It wasn't painful, just you could feel like around the sides. So we're gonna have to do 2 more rounds. But my lips are very dry, so we had to put some Vaseline. Okay, so we just finished. There are my lips. They look a bit swollen, but that's normal because it's quite sensitive here. So the color will actually go down in about a few days. So obviously I'll show you the final result. We don't have time to do the eyebrows tonight because I didn't realize it takes quite a long time. It takes about 2 hours to do this. But you can see the shape. You can see like the shape around. Like I said, they're a bit swollen, so they will calm down in 2 days. my gosh. Yeah, so they feel so swollen, but there's like more of a close-up. The swelling will go down tomorrow morning, or tomorrow, I guess. Hi guys, I thought I'll do an update. So I've spent a whole day with my cousins. I took them to cinema, we watched a cartoon, and I keep applying the like cocoa butter, like shea butter, on my lips because they're a bit actually sore, but you can see that the swelling has come down, and the shape is like really nice, I hope, anyway. But they are a bit dry, they do feel a bit sore. I do actually have a tooth operation right now, which is probably not the best timing, but it doesn't hurt to open my mouth, like it's fine. I'm having a chewing gum, sorry. But it is a bit like, I feel it's still a bit sore on top. I excited to see how they look when they heal, because this color is just so bright. But she did tell me like it's gonna fade away 2 shades, so I guess we'll see in a few days. Morning guys, I just woke up. I did want to show you the lips. When I woke up this morning, they were really sore, but they're starting to fade. I think you can see that they're starting to fade away a little bit. They do feel a bit sore and dry. I've just put like a lot of shea butter on them, but they still feel like really dry. But I do really like the shape. It does feel really weird waking up in the morning though with the lips done. It's like a bit unnatural. And I know, like I said, the color, well, she told me the color will go down 2 more shades. But the shape is amazing. Like, you know, she did make it look prettier than my actual shape. It's kind of like, you know, губки бантиком. So I'll keep you updated. It just feels a bit dry. I also had my tooth extraction yesterday, so actually doesn't hurt today. I haven't eaten since lunch or drank water because he said not to. I feel fine. I don't have any pain, so I'm hoping it's gonna stay that way. Good morning guys, I just woke up. You can see that the color actually has, they were basically peeling a little bit last night, so I just kept moisturizing them, but actually you can see now the color is more or less gone from like crazy bright. I'm just showing you. They're not as sore anymore. I still feel them a little bit here, like on top, but you can tell it's looking more and more natural. I think, I'm not sure if I need to wait 1 more day, maybe like tomorrow, but pretty much that's it. So she was doing that, so you can see the actual color to stretch, and then you can see the outline very, very subtly done, so it looks more natural, I guess. But yeah, I'm actually very happy with the results. But yeah, I'm loving the shape because that is my shape, but now it's just been highlighted to make it look a little bit better. Hi guys, I thought to update now. It's Sunday and there we go, you can see final result. So the color has really become more natural. I've just put a lip balm on it, you can see. I might even take it off just to show you. But yeah, this is the color. You can see the outline is still there, but it's very natural. And I basically have no makeup on right now, and but it feels like I have a little color to my lips, which I really like. I really love the really natural look, just to show you. So when I smile, you can see that the color still stays over here. I'm a bit shiny, that's from the cocoa butter, because you have to apply. So she told me to apply like moisturized cream throughout probably a week, just to not get my lips dry at any point. But yeah, this is how it looks. Very happy with the results, I think, so far. I hope the color doesn't go down any more than it is now. She said it will take maybe a couple more weeks to develop, and to finalize, and then you have the second session to just do a correction. That's like with any of these types of procedures, you always do 2 treatments. So it's going to be only in 6 weeks. So yeah, and I don't think you even have to do it if you're happy with the result. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I know that when I wanted to get my eyebrows done, you know, about a year ago now, I was really scared. I don't know why. I'm one of these people that gets scared to do anything with their face, because face is the first thing we see, and if I ruin my face, then I think I would be really paranoid. So it took me a really long time to make a decision to get my eyebrows done, and now that it's been a year and I've seen no problems, because I've heard some horror stories, you know. So if you ever are thinking about doing this, make sure you find a really good person that you trust, that has reviews, like real life reviews, clients and pictures, and you talk to them and get a feeling that, you know, you can trust them. I don't trust people as easily, so it took me 1 year to do the lips, because I did want to do them last year as well, but I was like, nah, let's try the eyebrows, because the worst thing they're gonna go. You know, eyebrows you can hide, but the lips I thought was worse. And now that I completely felt confident, I had no issues, and my eyebrows are still on point. If you can see, I had them done about a year ago. I don't know if you can see, if I'm just gonna show you. You can see like a small outline. I hope I'm filming the right way. So she told me I don't even really need to get them done, but I'm gonna get them done anyway, probably just to top up the color, because I do want them a bit darker, just like a little bit. I like to maintain a natural look anyway. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have been thinking about doing this, I'm doing this purely because I don't like to wear a lot of makeup and I get really busy. So for me to put a lip balm, bit of mascara, I'm done. You know, I don't need to put anything else, you know, for everyday kind of like use. So if you're into like less time doing your makeup, this definitely saves you a lot of time. And I have been doing like the not eyeliner, but like the outline for my lips every time I go out or I'm filming. So now it's just nice and easy. Anyway, guys, leave any comments if you have any questions, and I'm happy to answer them.